Hello guys, good morning. My name is Emmanuel Wilson, and in this video we are going to be talking about how to draw circles and what is the relationship between a circle and a rectangle, right? So that is what we are going to be focusing on. So let's start the video and learn. So this is GeoGebra interface. So we're going to be starting how we want to establish the relationship between the area of a circle and that of a rectangle. So let's begin. To begin with, we key in a center. So let's say 2, 3. So the next thing is that we're going to create a slider. Come here and create a slider. Tap here. So our slider is A, minimum is 1, maximum is 10, then increment is going to be 0.01, right? So follow me. I'm going to go a bit fast because of time, okay? So you can slow down the video to follow. So this is 100, then 0.01. Good. So we've created the sliders. The next thing we're going to do is that we want to draw a circle. So we come here, then we pick a circle and a radius, right? Then we want this to be the center. Our radius, we want it to be the slider A. So we press on enter. So you could see that the increase and decrease of the radius is affected by the slider. Come here and activate a point and create a point on the circle. Now we come here, then you key in rotate. You key in rotate. Then you want to rotate the point B, the points on the slider, right? So this point, not the points on the circle. So point B, comma, then no space, okay? 360 degrees. You come here 360 degrees, then forward slash, you key in forward slash, then the name of this slider, which is slider B, or whatever name that you give to that slider. This is slider B. Then comma, then your center. Our center is A, right? No space. Our center is A. Then we are done. Then we press on enter, right? So you can see we've created something. Expand small, then join it with a line segment. With a line segment, we join this and this. Then you come here, then we activate midpoint. Then we change midpoint, right? Then you come here, activate line segment. You join this and this. Good. Good. So the next thing we're going to do is come here, type list 1, then equals sequence, equals sequence. So spell the sequence of spells sequence equals sequence, then brackets, rotate, rotate, and then another bracket. We want to rotate the point B, right? Comma, space, then J, then space, 360. Then we come here to point the degrees, 360 degrees, forward slash, then the name of the slider, which is B. Then the next thing that we're going to do is that comma, then space. The center is A. Then you go back the brackets, you punch J, comma, then you punch 0, comma, then you punch the name of the slider, which is what? B. You could see that we've created some mini points, right? Good. The next thing that we're going to do is list, then 2 equals sequence. Okay, sequence, then you punch in rotate, rotate, then the next thing is a bracket. You want to rotate the point B still, then comma. Whenever you bring a comma, space, then, sorry, this time this is what we do. So sequence, then we key in circular, circular sector, circular sector, then it will be the center, which is A, comma, elements, punching elements, Then the next one will be the list, the first list that we created, so list one. Then comma a J, right? Then you move behind the brackets, a comma, then you key in element, the same thing that you key in element, then list one, comma, then key in J plus, sorry, J plus one, then you go two times the back of the bracket, then comma, your J, sorry, small letter J, comma, then face bar, one, comma, the name of the slider B, then two, right? But we are going to be using this. So copy it and press enter, right? Then paste it again. Then just change this to 3. Then come and change the 1 over here, change it to 2, right? Then that will be all. You get it? So that is what we've done. You can hide F. Okay. Okay, so let's continue. So the next thing that we're going to do is to continue by punching in list. So list 4, right, equal to sequence, then sector, then we're going to punch in brackets, two brackets, right? Then we two brackets, then we type J, small letter JF, comma space, then 0. You move one bracket backwards, then you punch your JF, then I think space, then yeah, a plus, right? A plus, then we punch in F2, then comma, then you move one at the back, then we key in another bracket, punch in JF, then a plus, then a bracket, negative F, you move back the bracket, then from the negative F, you're going to type /2, then comma, a G, right? Then a G, let me see, a G, well, a G. So these things, unless the G and the F are the ones that are here. So when we are posting this video, hopefully, you're going to attach them to it so that you can copy and paste, right, in your input field for it to do the action that you want it to do for you. Hope it is clear. Good. So let's continue. So we are F space 2, comma G. Then we go to comma J, comma 0, comma my slider 2 minus 1. So this J is going to come here, comma J, 2 minus 1, bracket to close it. Let me check. So JF, so JF plus JF plus 0. So sequence circular sector JF 0, then JF plus F2, comma G, JF plus negative F, G, then G, so there's a comma here, comma, 0, comma, U, 2, 2, and so on. That would close. Okay, the bracket needs to be here. So this is what you should type. Look at it. Right, so then press on. Yeah, so, so um, just there's another comma. Okay, okay. So this is what you see before it, the one that I inputted, the corrections that I did, that is what you're supposed to do. The next thing is that we're going to drag this. We're going to drag this. Activate the drag move. Also, cancel. So let's move this. Let's move this here. So let's move this here. Okay. Now it is good. Good. So the last thing that we're going to type is this list 5, right? Then equals sequence, a bracket open, rotate, another bracket open. Sorry, this time is circular sector. Then we punch in, right? We punch in JF plus JF plus F/2, comma G, you'll move one step backwards, comma, then another bracket, we punch in JF plus 0, comma 0, then comma, another space, we key in another bracket, JF plus F, comma 0, we'll move two brackets away, then we key in, comma, now J, comma, 0, comma, then the name of your slider. My slider that I'm using is B, right? Then /2. I key in 2, then -1, right? Good. So this is the next thing that we're supposed to punch or key in into the input field. So this will be added. Hopefully, if this video is accepted, this will be added. This will be added to the comment section. I'm saying the comment section. uh, the subscription box, okay, so that you get to copy and you paste it in the input field. Good. You click on enter. So now we are done. You can see that, you see, what is happening is this. The area of the volume, when, sorry, I'm saying the area of the volume, when you, the concept is this. When you cut a circle into tiny pieces along its radii so that it creates as many radius as possible or as many radii as possible, and we stretch it out, we're going to get the perfect shape of a rectangle, right? That is the concept. We're going to get the perfect shape of a rectangle. So this tells us that the area of a circle is indeed the same as the area of a rectangle. So we have here length times breadth. We can key in here, come to the test bar, you can key in test, you can key in the length, right? The length, the length, then we can also key in the breadth, right? So the length times breadth being the area of a rectangle is the same as the pi r squared. So it's the same as the pi r squared, the same as the pi r squared that we know, right? Good. So this is where I'm going to end the video. Thanks for watching.